Hey everybody, it's Kev. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get smooth stone in Minecraft. So go ahead and log into your survival world. Once you're here, all you have to do is have a furnace and some stone. You also need something to burn. You could have coal or any type of log. So get your cobblestone, put it into the first slot, and go ahead and wait for it. Once you get your stone, you want to put it back in to the first slot. And there you go, you have smooth stone. That's how you create smooth stone in Minecraft. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and comment down other tutorial requests that you would like to see on this channel. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.